Yo, what's up, guys? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. I'm back again with a massive video. Guys, if you are new, please do not forget to click the subscribe, like, and share button. And also, if you are returning, please do not forget to like, hit the like. Make sure that everybody is able to see the feedback. So today, I won't waste much of your time. I'll just be getting right straight into the charts. I know you love it when I get into the chart. You guys are new to learn. Now, let's go into the charts. As you can see now, I'm gonna analyze Nasdaq or NAS 100 for you guys. I just want you guys to be able to understand how it moves and how simple I make it look and trade it. First of all, let's start by looking at a higher time frame. Okay, I'm gonna remove this. Okay, now we're gonna start it. Okay, looking at, we do know we've been facing much more clearer downtrend, but we expected the move to push to the upside here, but it failed and came back here. The reason for that is because you can see we had this area here where it was a resistance, then it failed to break it. So we have to use some. But also, let's look at this. As you know that the powerful tool that I use, it's a fib, but also you know that when you get into the Forex heroes, you get much more tools, powerful tools. Obviously, you can't give everything for free. So look what really happened here. So you can see we are within the 38.2. So let me do this. In the 38.2, so it gave us a move that is pushing to the downside. So now we want to see where are we going now, because you can see that there's a certain downward movement. As you can see, we're having data candles pushing to the downside, but we want to see where are we going to turn or where it's our next move. And use this one. Okay, I'll draw this line here. This will be my decider. I'll use this as my decider. A break below simply says we are going down, and then if we fail to break, we are definitely we do this. Okay, we are definitely, oops, this for instance is our support. Get broken, it becomes our, and so this is what I can expect to happen. If we break below and then we retest, we push it further to the downside. Going back 2020 March. So this is what I'm looking at. But then if we fail, this holds as a new support, we can expect the move back to the all-time high subsequently past it. So this is what I'm looking at on a higher time frame. So don't get confused there as you go to lower time frame, because it the closer I go to smaller time frame, you see a little bit of more candles. So let's see what is currently happening. For our charts, let's see what do you have for us. Okay. So now, since I see this is my decider, this is my decider. Okay. Step inside and see what we can make of this. And see we are having a certain downtrend, but you can see here what happened. This was a fake out here. This was a fake out, and then it pushed back inside. So you need to be careful of that. So we know that we're near downtrend. So you use this. This is the new high now. You can use this and take it all the way and see where we are. You can see we're still downtrend. Or Subsequent to that, what I like to use the most recent to give me the adequate data, because I don't want to wait 3-4 days waiting for a specific move. You understand? I'll rather wait when I've seen that yes, indeed I have to wait, but not for what is currently happening. So you can see here, this is the close-up, because this is the high that the downside. So I like to keep my charts clean, so I'll try to keep them as clean as possible. Because what can really happen, we can have a move, let me do this. We can have this move, push to the upside, and then when it reaches this, you can see that we're still in a downtrend. And it goes and breaks this, follows this pattern that we are anticipating to happen, because we are indeed still in a downtrend. So, but now we can face correction. And that correction, you can at most understand that it will come in impulse move sometimes. So you just have to see and understand where you are in the market and what you need to do. So let me advance course, guys, and I'm definitely sure you will like it. And we are gonna be discounting the 2.0. It's a clearance say, guys. We're busy working with that. We're busy with the new one, and of course, as you know, with the market, you have to advance. Okay, so now what are we looking at? So you can see here I'm on 1 hour, and then this can also put it here. Again. Break, then we are pushing further to the upside. But if we don't break, like I said, we can push and come. That's clear. Okay, now let's see. We have 1 hour, okay. And here, and what's our this one? Okay. 30 minutes and see what I can make of this. Okay. You can see the overall is a downtrend because we haven't broken this outside this, but we have to understand what is currently happening. How can we take advantage of this? Look, this was a downtrend, we pushed, and then here, then we traced here to test this part and we dropped. Oops. Open my direction, guys. I'm happy at this point. Now, if it doesn't break this, then I'm looking at this move. You have to be careful because I want to have a test. So this is what I can see now. Let's have to reduce this. The ultimate decider. But now you can see what I'm looking at now. 15 minutes is given. So for you to be safe, don't sell now. Don't buy now. Wait for the break to the upside to show that it has broken out of this sell trend, downward trend, because you can see we're pushing down. We're pushing down, pushing, yeah, we're pushing. So now this is what we're expecting to happen. You understand? We can push to the upside. So don't buy now, buy after the break and the test. So here you can buy. And here the break. Yeah. So patience is important, guys. Patience is important. You capitalize on this one. I hope you took advantage of the capitalize on this one. However, our TP was here, so they took us out of trend stop here. So this is what I'm waiting for here. You see, is that type of correction that we always speak about. This is something that we can say it's a pattern within a pattern, but it's looking like this. Understand? Maybe with the candles, it looks a little bit unclear, but let me do this and show you guys. Yeah. Okay. Take this, put it here. Here I use the lines and then just take this. This. Okay. So now we are here. And it's good. They passed it, but here we still have 23, 26, which is also a very great initiative that we are this way you can identify a strong investment. So this is what I expect to happen. Do this. You can see it's the similar one, but I simplified it here. And I'm going to delete. So this is what I'm expecting to happen. But should we fail to shoot to the downside like I anticipate, as you know, this will give me much information to buy, because I can see we have broken and then now we are retesting that specific zone and then we're taking it all the way here. This one, TPV. So make sure you don't make mistakes of getting into trades early. Make sure you understand what you're doing. And also, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and families. And also, you know, from me, see me, and I'll see you in the next video. Your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex Hero. Peace.